Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a great week, and I hope you're making it through your weeks, your first couple weeks, okay. We are at the start of week 3 in our nutrition, communication, and counseling class. So for week 3, we're going to be looking at theories, principles, and theories of learning. And I liked this picture that I pulled up because I think what it kind of shows is that, and one of the things that we're going to be talking about is the actual transfer of knowledge. And so looking at making sure that our learners or the participants that we're teaching when we're providing our nutrition education, that the knowledge is actually and that it's actually transferred, because knowledge is not automatically transferred. We can speak at people and we can teach, but if we're not looking at their motivations for learning, if we're not considering their styles of learning, whether that's visual or kinesthetic or auditory, we're probably not reaching our end goal, which is making sure that that knowledge is actually being transferred and that our participant is actually learning and understanding what they need to know. So please go ahead and look through the learning unit this week. There are a couple lectures again that cover the chapters that we're reading. There's a couple articles to look over. And then there's also, please take a peek at the website that gives you some really awesome ideas of nutrition education lesson plans as you start to work on your lesson plan. So please keep in mind, remember that the lesson plan assignment will be due at the end of week 4. I've only heard from a couple of you so far as what your lesson plan, nutrition education lesson plan topics are. So please reach out and let me know what you're thinking about doing. And I hope you have a great week. There's nothing due this week, but again, you really need to start working on that lesson plan. Have a great week.